If your throttle feels sluggish, delayed, or the engine responds inconsistently, your throttle position sensor might just need a reset, not a replacement. Before you spend money at a shop, let me show you the 3 reset methods we use professionally when a TPS goes out of calibration. Each one has its purpose, and the third method is the one we rely on when the others don't solve the issue. You don't need special tools, and everything here is safe to do at home. Let's get into it. Methods 1. Basic ignition reset. This first method works on most modern vehicles and is ideal when the throttle feels delayed, the engine revs oddly, or the pedal response just isn't right without any error codes. Start by making sure the car is completely off. Insert the key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see the dash light up, that's normal. Now slowly press the gas pedal all the way to the floor over about 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then slowly release it over another 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smooth input is everything here. Repeat that entire press, hold, release sequence 2 more times. If you rush or skip any part, the reset won't take. When you're done, turn the key off, remove it, and wait about 10 seconds. Now start the engine and check the throttle response. If the revs settle smoothly and the pedal feels cleaner, that's a good sign. If the hesitation or inconsistency is still there, move on to method 2. And if this is helping so far, go ahead and hit subscribe. We're just getting started. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset. This method forces the ECU to clear stored throttle data and relearn from scratch. It's the go-to when the basic ignition reset doesn't make enough difference. With the engine off, pop the hood and loosen the negative battery terminal, the black cable. Make sure the cable doesn't touch metal once it's removed. Leave it disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to drain any remaining charge from the system. Reconnect and tighten the cable, then put the key in and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Let the dash complete its checks. Now start the car and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes without touching the throttle. This idle time lets the throttle body and ECU realign. Turn the engine off, restart it, and see if the response feels cleaner. If it still feels off, don't worry. That's when the full reprogramming method comes in. Methods 3. Full TPS reprogramming. This is the method we use at the shop when a throttle body has been replaced, when error codes keep returning, or when the throttle is way out of calibration. First, make sure the engine is cold. Disconnect the negative battery cable again, wait 2 minutes, and reconnect it. This clears the stored angle values. Now turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Stand near the throttle body and listen. You'll hear a soft buzzing or whirring. That's the throttle blade cycling through its learning sequence. Let it run, don't interrupt it. This usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. When the buzzing stops, turn the key off and remove it. Start the engine and let it idle undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. This idle period is where the ECU aligns the TPS signal with the mechanical position of the throttle. Finally, take the car for a short test drive. You should feel a noticeably smoother, more predictable throttle response. If you had codes before, they often clear themselves after a few drive cycles. After resetting a TPS, one of the best ways to prevent future issues is to keep the throttle body clean. Carbon buildup can lead to inconsistent airflow, which throws off the throttle system over time. Clean it every 20,000 miles or so, but avoid carb cleaner or gasoline. They can damage coatings. Use a proper throttle body cleaner like CRC. It's what we use in the shop. If you want to understand the early signs of a failing TPS before it gets worse, tap the video on screen. I'll walk you through the symptoms to watch for so you can catch problems early. See you in the next one.